Hello, my friends. I am very excited to share these products with you today. One you might have seen a sneak peek of, just saying. One is so exciting, I can't wait to show you. And the other one is a new Flip It. I know you've all been waiting for a new Flip It. Finally, it's been a while, hasn't it? I can't believe it. I love my Flip Its. We're all flipping for Flip Its, and we can get a little crazy with all those puns, but let's move forward. First, the one you probably saw a sneak peek of is our fancy snowflakes. I took everyday snowflakes and turned them fancy, and let me show you a sample because, oh, here's two samples that you've probably already seen, but look at these snowflakes. Now, yes, I did give you the shadow dies. Not sure if you're always going to want to use those. Make sure you use your adhesive sheets on the back of these because you do not want to try to use your tape runner on the back. But look at how stunning they are. And I am so excited. Oh, here's one out of glitter cardstock. Whoa! Here's another one out of glitter cardstock. I'm going totally out of order, sorry. So check those out. I have a couple more samples, but I'm going to move forward. Next, we have, and again, this one is, you'll never understand it if I show you the packaging, but I will anyway. And it's upside down and backwards. Anyway, what is it? It is a die set. It is 3 dies. It is a die set that die cuts get well soon, but in dots. So awesome. Don't you love it? I think it's so fun. This one was taped for photography. Let me open this up so you can put your message on the inside, but look at how awesome that is. Now, let me open this one because I want to show you up close and personal what this does. I am really excited about this die set. We do have more coming in this series because there's so many options with it. You are getting the rounded rectangle. Yes, of course, it coordinates with an A2 card base. You're getting the extra dots frame to go all the way around like this one. And you're getting the dots get well soon. Now, you could use just the dots. You could use this dots with this one. You could use just these dots. Mix and match them. I wanted you to have more options with that one. But look at how fun that is. Now, last but not least is that Flip It I promised you. And again, packaging doesn't do it justice, so I'm going to grab one of these. It is a triple Flip It, triple heart Flip It. Now, it comes with these fancy little lace hearts or swirl hearts, comes with a beautiful love and handwriting, comes with YOU, so if you want to say you, look at that awesome heart border, and look at this. Are you ready? Get set. Look at that. What? Love you. Is that sweet or what? Isn't that gorgeous? I absolutely love that. I have lots of other samples. Let's jump in and finish our fancy snowflakes. Here are more in the glitter. I love them, glitter paper. Here's one just as a little background, which is so fun. Now let's look at our Flip Its. So I want you to see, and I'm going to open these and then I'm going to lay them there because I want you to see how you can change these and just make them all different, which I absolutely love. So here's another one. Look how cute that is. Love. Isn't that gorgeous with the black? I love black added. Here's another one. Love you. Isn't that fun with our cute little unicorn on there? So different though, each and every one, just using the same dies. Die cut and glue, that's all you need to do. That's all you need to do. Now, let's look at our get well soon. Look at this one with the hologram paper behind it. Isn't that gorgeous? Look at that. What? I know it's like magical, isn't it? You give this to somebody that's like in the hospital or something, they're just gonna go crazy for it. Here's a cute one with the cute little balloons on there. Get well soon. But see how awesome those dots stand out with the dark cardstock behind it. Now here's a fun one too. This is using our one of our gatefold cards. Ready, get set, get well soon. With our cute little band-aids in there. That is the get well to stamp and more get well to stamp stamps and dies. Isn't that adorable? So fun. What a cute card. And it's perfect for display. Look at that. Ta-da! It's like a little scene. So my loves, the first 24 hours, these items are on our website. They're on flash sale. They're on flash sale. Not only do you get our everyday low price, you're getting your club discount and you're getting the flash sale discount. I love my club members. You are part of my family and you are getting the family discount. So go check it out, stampsoflife.com. If you are not part of our family yet, go check it out. check out, join the club, find out what it's all about. And you know what? I have a feeling the hardest part for you is going to be deciding which club to do. A lot of people do all of them, but you don't have to do all of them to start. Just start with one or two. Okay? Go check it out, stampslife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.